Welcome back, human race. It's your girl Micah J from the blog.
Flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little skinny little bitty body Model X.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something fun and I'm going to show you 14 things to do while in quarantine. We are all kind of bored and like going crazy basically. But without further ado, come on with me so I can show you guys what we can do to better our stay-at-home quarantine. Number one, organize your closet. This is something that people don't normally get to do just because we're always busy, we're always at work. Fold your clothes, color coordinate, do what you have to do just to get your closet in order. 2, meditate. Meditation is very good for you. Meditation reduces stress, controls anxiety, promotes emotional health, and can help fight addictions. 3, get an online certificate. It's so easy, it's not expensive. It may be $25 or less, but it's not that really expensive. You can get online certificates. You can easily slide that into your resume and call it a day. Number 4, journal. Journaling is so essential. Journaling is such a good thing to do, especially during this time, because honestly, you can give this journal to your kids and they can pass it down to their kids' kids, and it could be something that you guys can all read just to see what you went through this quarantine. And another thing about journaling, it's good to journal just to get your feelings out. If you don't want to talk to anyone, you can put it on paper and there you are. You have a journal with all your feelings and all your memories written down. Number 5, create an art project. An art project can be painting, it can be drawing, it could be anything. Create an art project and channel the inner artist in you, because I know you have it somewhere in there. Everyone has an inner artist in them, and I feel like creating an art project at this time will be a perfect time. Number 6, do a body cleanse. This is one of my favorite ones, and my favorite body cleanse that I do at home DIY is called a Cali Kicker, which includes lemon, cayenne pepper, apple cider vinegar, and sometimes you can actually include ginger, but I do this about 3 times a week. It cleanses your body and boosts your metabolism. It doesn't taste that good, but it works better. Number 7, create a new workout routine. You guys can do workout right here at your home. You can turn on the TV and actually follow someone's workout routine for you to do. It's so easy. You can get you rubber bands. You can even do weights with something that you have at home. Create a workout routine so you won't just be sitting, and it's good to stay active at this time because workout can help you mentally. Number 8, learn a new language. I love learning new languages. You can go on Spanish for Dummies, French for Dummies. You can download an app, go on the App Store, download Language for Dummies, and you guys have one more thing that you can add onto your bucket list. You learned a language. Number 9, put money towards a business. If you want to grow a business or if you have a goal, put money towards it. You can put $1 or you can put $5. It doesn't matter because you're actually putting them into a business and you're starting something. It doesn't take nothing but 1 second. Just drop $1 in a jar or $5 in a jar and get started with your business. Number 10, start a YouTube channel. And this one really is my favorite because I wish I would have started a YouTube channel a long time ago with using my phone, but start a YouTube channel. If that's what you want to do and you want to and you're just kind of waiting, this is the time now to start one because you're at home, you have time to edit, film, and you can actually use your phone over using a camera. Don't think that you need a camera to start a YouTube because you definitely don't. Number 11 is something fun. Move your room around. If you like change of scenery and you want to switch your bed to the left side or your nightstands, move your room around just to create a different scenery because it can get pretty boring seeing the same things. And personally, I hate seeing the same things in the same exact location. So move your room around. Number 12, sip and draw. And you can do this with family or you can do this with your significant other, and it's a DIY. You can get a canvas from the dollar store and they also have acrylic paint. Get you some wine, set it up, and there you are, sip and draw. 13 is grow a plant. Bring life into this world. Grow a plant. You guys can get seeds from an old fruit or seeds from an old vegetable and reseed it, and there you are, you're growing a plant. Last but not least, number 14, learn a new dance. I would love to learn a new dance. It's wonderful. You can learn hip hop, you can learn salsa, you can learn jazz, you can learn ballet. I'm personally trying to learn how to salsa just because I want to spice it up a little bit. But try to learn a new dance and do it with your family or by yourself. It doesn't matter, but it's something new. Those are my best 14 ideas for you to do while in quarantine at home. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below what city you're in, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.
Flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little skinny little bitty body Model X.